Alright guys, well now I'm gonna show you how to get it going. Alright, so if you already have something installed or build or anything, I'm gonna put how you could find it through Windows and through Mac, but I kind of memorized it already. So through Mac, you're gonna launch your hard drive. You're gonna go to your little home here, whatever name you have for your little home folder. You're gonna click on library, then you're gonna go to application support, and then you're gonna find Kodi. Okay, once you're here, you can see you could delete everything here. Alright, and once you launch Kodi again, you're gonna see that it's gonna be vanilla. It's nothing, it's empty. Alright, so let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. So now I'm gonna show you how to get it. Alright, so what you're gonna do is, once you see my video, you're gonna see the link below. You're gonna click on it. It's gonna take you to the AdFly website, and you're gonna wait 5 seconds. Not this one. Ignore whatever comes out here. Okay, you see this box, don't click on the X, don't worry about any of that. Just look at this countdown, wait for it to reach 0, and it's gonna say skip ad. You're gonna click on that, and it's gonna automatically download. Okay, it's gonna go to your download folder. Okay, so now you can close that, you're done with that. So ignore whatever comes in the middle, you don't need any of that. So once you're on your downloads folder, you can put it somewhere that it's easier for you to find. So you can put it and you leave it on your downloads. In my case, I'm gonna put it in the desktop. Alright, so here it is, EMGsource.zip. So then what you do next is you launch Kodi one more time. Okay, you're gonna go to System, Appearance, not Appearance, I'm sorry. System, go to Add-ons. Okay, go to Install from zip file, and you're gonna find it wherever you put it. So remember, I put it on my desktop, so it's nice and easy for me to find. So it's right on my desktop, and here it is, all the way down on the bottom, EMGsource.zip. Okay, so then you see it here. The wizard has been installed. You're gonna go back all the way to the beginning, go to Programs, and then you'll see it right there, EMGsource Wizard. Okay, you click on it, and let's say if you just want the Dragon Ball Z one, you could do that. If you just want this one alone, you could do that. If you want the Mario Kart alone, you could do that. If you want all of them, you could click on this one. Now I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep updating these, because it is hard for to keep updating all of them. I will try as much as possible, but the one I'm definitely gonna update the most is gonna be the EMGOrb, because I'm gonna be using this one, and this one pretty much has all these three in here. Alright, so once I update here, it basically updates the skin for all those three, but individually I will have to go into each one and update them. So I mean, this is the one that is gonna be is gonna have all these three and then be updated the most. Okay, so you click on that and you install it, and it takes about a minute. If I'm not mistaken, the build is about 350 megabytes. If I'm not mistaken, let me double check here. Yeah, actually it's 335 megabytes. So it's not extremely big. It does run pretty well on Android boxes. On the Amazon stick, it runs good. Not great, but it runs good. And that's due to the fact that it does have a lot, and but once the build is going, it actually works pretty smooth. I haven't seen any issues or any glitches with it. But other than that, if you want like a lighter build, you could always go with that. Alright, so you see it doesn't take very long for it to install, and then here's the final step. Now once this is done, it's gonna say yes, completed. Now you must Kodi must reboot. Okay, so here it says you have to close Kodi in order for it to get going. Now if I click yes, close here, it's gonna close, and next time I launch it, it's gonna work. Now for you Android boxes, If you have an Android box, okay, that might not work. So you have to unplug it, give it a couple of seconds, plug it back in, and then next time you launch Kodi, you're gonna see the build working no problem, okay? But just make sure you unplug it and plug it back in, all right? For computers, for Mac and Windows, you click on that and it works. Some Android boxes does work. Some Amazon boxes work. Not all of them, especially the new one, doesn't work. You have to unplug it, give it a couple of seconds, and launch it back, all right? And then once you launch it, see here the intro going through. If you don't want to see the intro, you could just click on stop here and it'll stop, all right? And here it is. All right, guys, thank you so much. Enjoy it.